everybody. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited that you're here. If you like the things you learn on this channel, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm going to show you how to organize your scraps. And this is a tried and true method that I have used for at least 10 years now. I have this file box. It lifts quickly. It's portable over to my craft station. It allows me to have paper to cut with my Silhouette, my Cameo, as well as card making and scrapbooking. So I do a lot of different things, and I use it for a lot of different methods. Let me show you. I put them all in these file folders. I organize them by colors, and then, for example, in my green folder, you see I have lots of different greens, and I can just go through here and look. And yes, here's something that I've cut out on the Silhouette, and I have just this blank piece of paper, and I might use it for something. So I like to save on my paper and the cost of my supplies by using this method. And I highly recommend these file folders, which I will link below. They are very sturdy. I find them more sturdy than these types that have this metal on the end. These tend to slip around and fall off this track. These are more tried and true, and they really, like, you can pull out the folder if you want, take it over and go through all your purples. I just love it, and then you can put it back inside. And this is just much more sturdier. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for stopping by.